Hey, what's going on, Weavers? Tim here again. This is the trailer for the Patreon exclusive video for the month of February. For this month, we are doing the modified Sanctified Knight, done knot and loop style. Beautiful bracelet and very comfortable to wear as well. Even though it's wide, it's not too thick, and it's also quite flexible. So I'm sure all you Patreon supporters will enjoy this one, and for those of you that aren't aware, I do run a Patreon page to help support this channel. Exclusive videos are one of the benefits, as well as joining our Discord server. So if you enjoy what I do on this channel and you'd like to support this channel directly, feel free to consider checking out my Patreon page. I thank you even for your consideration. And for all the current Patreon supporters, both old and new, thank you as always for your continued support. You guys are making a world of difference for this channel, and hope you all will enjoy this month's video. So if you'd like to check out my Patreon page, link is in the video as well as down below. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you on the next video.